What's up, boys? Today's Wednesday, July 9th. Caught around 25 points today trading the Nasdaq. I made $3,700. I made $3,500 on my personal account, and I made $250 on my funded account. Now, I haven't posted for a week. I apologize. That is because I was on vacation. I was in the south of France. Now, I did end up blowing 4 of my accounts. I still have 1. Very unfortunate. I learned trading on vacation is not ideal whatsoever. It's very, very bad for you. But I just really wasn't concentrated on what's actually going on. I wasn't taking high quality trades. I was just trying to catch some winning days to get a payout, and I got my payout. I got already up $8,000 in payouts on the month, which is not a bad start, but I blew them right after. So very unfortunate. Left my buffer way too low. But let's get into the trade recap for you guys. I got 4 evals halfway past, as well as 1 account with a winning day. I de-risked just because, and my personal account up 3.5K. Obviously, I de-risked because the setup I took was less probable than my setup that I wanted to take, and I'll explain that right now. So let's hop onto the chart for you guys. This might look complicated, all right? 4-hour time frame, right? Tap into this premium or discounted 4-hour fair value gap. Get a reaction to the upside. Inverse this bearish 4-hour, telling us price wants to push higher. Tap into this 1 hour, consolidate in this range. Take out sell side within this 1 hour, push up higher. What do we see here? Break of structure to the upside. What do we see here? A break above a bearish candle that gives us a 1 hour bullish order block that price taps into at 8 a.m., right? So at 8 a.m., we tap into this 1 hour order block right here. Also this 15-minute CISD. So 15-minute CISD, 1 hour order block, which is also a 15-minute order block right here because we break up of this swing high, making this candle right here an order block. We tap into that 15-minute break of structure to the upside. Again, this is also a 15-minute order block that kind of got respected. We have all these highs resting above us. Look at the hourly time frame. Now this high got swept pre-market, so we don't count it. This high, and all-time highs. Hop down to the 15-minute time frame. Create an order block, 5-minute time frame. You can see that price right here. Creates, holy shit, price is dumping. Wow, look at that volatility. We can see it right here. Price creates a 5-minute IFEG after tapping into that 1 hour order block. 5-minute IFEG, 5-minute CISD/breaker block. Price taps into it to the tick. Look right here. Literally to the tick. Taps into it and gives us a bullish reaction to the upside. Right? My ideal long would have been right here. Oh shit, they're not going to do that. We tap into the order block and get a reaction to the upside. I wanted to enter long at 9:28. But my trading view, or not my trading view, I was not on my desk. I'm not even trolling, was not on my desk, and my top step was not fucking opening on time. Top step took like 2 fucking minutes to load, so I had to wait till 9:30 open, right? And very unfortunate because this was the trade I wanted to take. Extremely unfortunate. This is the trade I wanted to take. I couldn't take it, right? Because nothing was loading. So I ended up entering all the way up here. And since I got such a late entry on my trade and I saw there was a draw above us, I had to de-risk on this trade. I didn't de-risk on evals. I de-risked on my personal funds, obviously. Damn, what the fuck is this price doing? So went for a 1-to-1, targeting this hourly high up here. This high right here. Where was it? Yeah, this high up here, right? Like I said, was based off a 5-minute continuation. We tapped in this 5-minute order block, got a closure above, saw there was draws above us. No need for price to push down. If price wanted to take me out, hypothetically, price were to take me out, I would just expect price to tap into some sort of fair value gap here, as well as this order block, before giving us a continuation. Why this isn't working? Before giving us a continuation to the upside. So I risked very light on my actual live funds and XFA. Because if I were to get soft out, I wouldn't really care. I would have just re-entered with heavier size and taken a much higher quality trade. However, this is still a great trade for me. 1 minute displacement, 2-way draw on liquidity resting above us, right? A better trade that I wish I took was this trade right here. Hourly high, all-time highs as well. So it's a 4-hour high, a daily high, and a hourly high, right? We see on the 5-minute, we make a that's a 15-minute. On the 5-minute, we make a bullish 5-minute fair value gap, right? Hop down to the 3-minute, there's nothing. Hop down to the 2-minute. Last candle to the upside before a sweep of sell side was right here. So we got a 2-minute CISD and a 1-minute CISD at 9:59. So at 10 a.m. you would have longed and you literally would have hit TP in like 30 seconds. This was a great fucking trade. Highest time frame CISD and the leg. Coming out of a 5-minute fair value gap. Beautiful trade. This mid trade, I'm not going to lie, because I did want my entry, like I said. This was my ideal trade, but I couldn't take it. So I took a very late entry with minimal risk just for a winning day and hit. If you guys have any questions about these trades, about anything, feel free to DM us on TikTok, Instagram, or just comment it. Ideally, comment it. I'll be there to answer. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you are interested in joining the mentorship waitlist, I feel like a dick plugging it so much, but I'll just leave the link in the description for you guys. If you're interested in learning from me or George, I'm just going to leave that there for you guys. It does give you access to the free Discord as well, so you have the community as well if you're not interested in the actual mentorship. But I am sick, so I apologize for my voice. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe in the markets, and I'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.